Hello and welcome to the Unity game development tutorial. In this course, we will be making a 3D runner application that will be something similar to a Subway Surfers clone. So the application will look something like this. As you all can see, we will have a 3D runner character and all of the functionalities like slide down, slide right, slide left. And while making this game, we will learn how to work with animations, we will learn how to work with the prefabs, menu system, pause system, mobile setup, grouping prefabs, procedural level generation, and randomized game design. And there will be a lot of things that we will learn that I haven't put up in this presentation. And not only that, we will also learn how to upload this game onto the Google Play Store, and we will also learn how to monetize this game in order to earn money and generate money from it. So what are you waiting for, guys? Join now and learn how to make this 3D runner application. So see you all in the course.